The Ulefone Armor 29 Pro Thermal is a solid option for users prioritizing professional-grade thermal imaging in a durable, rugged phone. It features an exceptionally high-resolution thermal camera for a mobile device, a long-lasting battery, and robust durability features. However, some consumers may find its size and weight excessive, while more casual users can likely find thermal imaging on less expensive, mid-range devices. Here are the pros, cons, special features and overall conclusion of this phone. 4 pros. Outstanding battery life. The massive 21,200 mAh battery can last for several days on a single charge and supports 120W flash charging. Durability. The phone is IP68/IP69K rated for water and dust resistance and is MIL, STD, 810H compliant, meaning it is built to withstand harsh environments. Display. It features a 6.67-inch, 120Hz AMOLED main display and a smaller 1.04-inch AMOLED sub-display on the back. Industry-leading thermal camera, high resolution and refresh rate for professional use. Flagship tier cameras, high resolution 50MP main, 50MP ultra-wide, and 50MP front cameras, plus a 64MP night vision sensor. Fast 120W charging, minimizes the charge time despite the huge battery size. 4 cons. Bulk and weight. At 688G and 33.8mm thick, the phone is exceptionally heavy and bulky, making it inconvenient for some users to carry and handle. High price. The premium feature set puts the phone at a high price point compared to many other rugged devices. Outdated USB port. Despite its flagship features, the phone still uses a USB 2.0 port, which is a disappointing compromise for many users. Mid-range processor. The Dimensity 7400 is solid, but not a true flagship-level CPU like some competitors. No wireless charging, lacks a feature often found on high-end rugged devices. Limited portability. Difficult to carry in a standard pocket and use one-handed. For special features. Professional-grade thermal imaging. The primary highlight is the integrated ThermoView T2 thermal camera with a high 640x512 resolution and 25Hz frame rate, making it a professional tool for industrial, electrical, and HVAC diagnostics. It uses a dedicated infrared ISP chip and AI algorithms for better image quality and precision. Massive battery beast. The 21,200 mAh battery is one of the largest on the market, offering multi-day usage and weeks of standby time, perfect for remote locations or long shifts. High-power fast charging. 120W fast charging quickly refills the immense battery, reducing downtime significantly. Versatile lighting. Includes a powerful 1000 lumen dedicated floodlight, camping light, and customizable warning lights, red/blue beacon. Night vision camera. A dedicated 64MP night vision camera with 4 IR LEDs allows for clear photography and video in complete darkness. Dual AMOLED displays. Features a large 120Hz main AMOLED screen and a rear 1.04-inch AMOLED sub-display for quick time checks, notifications, and selfies without waking the main screen. Rugged accessories connector. The U-Smart connector allows for the connection of external accessories like endoscopes and microscopes. Customizable key. A physical, programmable key on the side can be set for functions like push-to-talk, PTT, torch, or quickly launching the camera. Overall conclusion. The Ulefone Armor 29 Pro Thermal is a niche, no-compromise, rugged tool that sets new benchmarks in battery life and integrated thermal imaging. It is not a phone for the casual user due to its colossal size and weight, 688G, 33.8mm thick. However, for professionals, electricians, plumbers, builders, first responders, and extreme outdoor enthusiasts who require a phone to survive harsh environments and serve as a high-end thermal camera, a night vision device, and a multi-day power bank. The Armor 29 Pro Thermal is peerless. Verdict: an ultimate rugged workhorse for those who prioritize extreme durability, battery endurance, and professional-grade thermal capabilities over pocketability and sleek design. The high-resolution thermal camera is its killer feature, justifying the bulk for its target audience.